Active English practice. Good morning. I need tea and a muffin. Sure. Small tip. You can say, I would like a tea and a muffin. I would like a tea and a muffin. Perfect. That sounds polite. So, I need is not polite? It is okay, but I would like is better in a cafe. I would like a medium tea, please. Very nice. And what about the muffin? I would like the blueberry muffin with butter. Of course. Yes, please. I would like butter too. You learn quickly. I am trying. We arrived here last week. Welcome. Where did you come from? From another country. My partner and I are studying English. Your English is good. Just remember, I would like. I would like to remember, I promise. Here is your tea and muffin. Enjoy. Thank you. I would like to visit again tomorrow. We would like that.
Hello. I want 3 cakes, please. 3 cakes? We usually say 3 pieces of cake. Pieces? Not cakes? Yes, cake can be uncountable. What does uncountable mean? Some things do not have plural forms. Cake, milk, sugar. So I say 3 pieces of cake? Exactly. Or 3 slices of cake. Pieces mean small parts? Yes, slices are thin cuts. Okay, I would like 3 slices of cake. Very polite. My partner learned that today. Anything else? 5 oranges and 2 pears. Those are countable. Good job. Some words are countable, some are not. It is confusing. Yes, but you are improving. 3 slices, not 3 cakes. I will remember. Here you are. Have a nice day.
Excuse me, this train go to the city center? This train goes to the city center. Add S. Goes. Why S? Because train is it. It goes. He goes. She goes. Oh, I go, but the train goes. Exactly. I forget this often. Everyone does at first. Which station? Near the big mall. That is station 4. About 8 minutes. Thank you. Does this train goes every day? Actually, say, does this train go? No S now? Yes. After does, no S. Does this train go? But this train goes? Correct. English has many rules. Yes, but you learned one today. The train goes. Does the train go? I understand. Here it comes. It goes to the center. Get on.
Hello. My partner have a fever. Your partner has a fever. Use has. Has. Not have? Yes. I have, you have, but he has. She has. Like the S rule again? Exactly. My partner has a fever. Perfect. How long? Since last night. He also has a sore throat. Good use of has. Thank you. What should he take? These capsules. 1 every 8 hours. And rest? Yes, he has to rest. Has to means must? Yes. So many uses of has. You are doing well. Thank you.
Hey, Ethan. How is your day? Fine, but I feel tired. Oh, sorry. What does your partner do? Sophia work near here. Sophia works near here. Add S. Works. I forget again. He works. She works. Always S. A person on the train told me this. Everyone is helping you. Sophia study English every evening. Sophia studies English. Y changes to IES. Studies. Yes. Try becomes tries. Why is English like this? I do not know. Sophia works. Sophia studies. Sophia cooks. Yes, she cooks. My head feels worse now. Drink water. You will improve. My partner says that too. Says with S. Good.
Hi, I like these shoes in the window. This shoe for one. These shoes for many. This shoe, these shoes. Correct. Which color? The black ones. Can I try? Sure. What size? Small, please. Fitting room is there. Thank you. How do they look? They look nice. Do you like them? Yes. And these laces are good. Great. This is one item. These are many items. Exactly. How much are these shoes? $30. I would like these shoes, please. Very natural English.
Sophia, there is many bags in the room.
There are many bags.
There are, not there is.
Yes. One bag is, many bags are.
Like this and these.
Same idea.
There is a chair here.
Correct.
There are 10 bags here.
Yes.
There is one problem.
What?
There are no hours left today.
We can do it tomorrow.
There is always tomorrow.
Tomorrow is one thing. Right.
Hello. Yesterday I go to the office.
Yesterday, I went to the office.
Went, not go.
Yes. Irregular verb.
Many, go becomes went.
See becomes saw.
Eat becomes ate.
You must remember them.
Yesterday I went to the office.
Perfect.
Today I want a monthly pass.
Good choice.
How much?
$20.
Yesterday I pay $3.
Paid, not pay.
Paid.
Yes.
I need a notebook.
Good idea. Hi. Are you the new neighbor? Yes. I am Sophia. Welcome. Thank you. We have a lot of equipment to arrange. Much equipment. It is uncountable. Like milk? Yes. So, much equipment. Correct. Many chairs. Much equipment. Exactly. English is hard, but you are learning. People help me every day. Do you need help? No, there are many boxes. Good correction.
Hello. I ordered dinner.
Let me check.
Do you have some drinks?
Say any drinks in questions.
Any drinks?
Yes.
I have some juice.
Good.
Do you have any desserts?
Yes.
I would like some cake.
How many pieces?
2 pieces.
Here you go.
Hello. I want a simple English book.
We have 2 choices.
This one is more small.
Say smaller.
Smaller. Not more small.
Yes,
Big becomes bigger.
correct.
Expensive becomes more expensive.
Yes,
So shorter words take
exactly.
This book is easier.
Good.
I will take the smaller, easier book.
Nice choice.
What a long day.
Yes. We learned a lot.
How do you order politely?
I would like tea, please.
How do you say cake?
2 slices of cake.
This train?
This train goes.
Your partner?
He has a fever.
Sophia work?
Sophia works and studies.
These shoes?
This for one, these for many.
There is many bags?
There are many bags.
Yesterday I go?
I went.
I have many equipment?
A much equipment.
Do you have some juice?
Do you have any juice?
More small?
Smaller.
We did great.
Yes, we did.
Tomorrow more learning?
Maybe a little rest first.
Okay. Good night.